is the process of receiving payment after you promote a product or service on behalf of another business. I always say the best way to think of it is to see yourself as a salesperson who earns a commission on every sale they make. The difference here is that as a marketer, you don't work directly for the company. In layman terms, you make money by sending your audience towards the company through an affiliate link. Then once the customer clicks on your link and makes a desired action, which could be signing up to a form or even buying one of your products, whatever it is, you will then get your commission. If you can successfully promote enough products to your audience, you can literally create yourself a massive passive income stream all through affiliate marketing. And don't worry, as in this course, I'll literally be showing you step by step how you can do all of this from A to Z with proof to ensure you are a successful affiliate. Some people tend to ask me, well, why would I promote other people's products for a commission when I can create my own products and keep all the profit? Well, yes, you can do that, but creating your own product is going to require a lot of time and a lot of money. And even then, once you've made your product, there is literally no guarantee that people will even like your product and that it's going to be successful. On top of that, if your product is successful, you can literally get other people copying your product and then stealing away any USPs your product may have. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about any of this, as instead of working hard, you can work smart and promote other people's already successful products. And the amazing thing about affiliate marketing is that you can do it for free too. You can literally get your affiliate link, share it on social media, and start to generate sales instantly. Meaning that the startup cost is literally zero. To help give you a high-level overview of how affiliate marketing works, we have this really cool infographic right here. And as you can see, there is essentially 4 different parts to affiliate marketing. We have number 1, which is this point right here at the top. This is basically where you get your affiliate links and you put them on your website. Now, just to clarify, you don't just have to show affiliate links on websites to make money. You can also share those affiliate links in your email marketing campaigns or even on social media websites too. There are tons of opportunities you have when it comes to promoting affiliate links. And don't worry, as I'm going to cover all of those later on in the course. The purpose of this video right here is to simply give you a high-level overview of exactly how affiliate marketing works. So, step 1 is you grab your affiliate links and you put them on your website. Step 2, a customer will then come onto your website and click one of your links. This is all then tracked in step 3 of affiliate marketing. If that customer then makes a purchase or signs up to one of your forms, that is all tracked, and then in step 4 of the process, you will then get paid for your work. So essentially, like I said earlier, you are basically a salesperson for the company you are promoting, and every time that customer makes a sale, you will get a commission. Now, to break this down even further, so it's even more clearer without all of these colorful icons and symbols in this infographic, there is essentially 3 main players when it comes to affiliate marketing. Number 1 is the customer. The customer starts off as a member of your audience looking for answers to satisfy a particular need. They trust you that you have the answers and they believe in your authoritative word. Through your content, you direct your audience to your advertiser's website for solutions to their query. The customer will then purchase a product on the affiliate online store. The second main player of affiliate marketing is the advertiser. This is essentially the company who owns the product or the service that you are promoting on behalf of them. And lastly, you have the third person, which is the affiliate, which is you, and you are the person who drives customers and leads for the business you are advertising on behalf of. And what's also really cool is that when you start off doing affiliate marketing, the advertiser here will pay you a agreed commission for every sale you make. And then as you start to generate more and more sales for that advertiser, you are then going to go into the good books and they're going to give you higher commission rates, meaning you're going to make even more money. Affiliate marketing literally has so much opportunity, it's actually unreal. And this is the main reason why so many people are wanting to get involved with affiliate marketing, as the startup costs are literally zero and you can make a lot of money by doing so. So hopefully this video gave you a good overview of exactly how affiliate marketing works, and I'll see you in the next one.